Hello guys. My name is Benetta. Today I want to introduce Squad Data Part 2. We wait first. Okay? Then we will introducing looks. The second one. So we already have many already introducing of motion. So there will have part 1, part and so they will have now part they will have part one until part, now it's part two. Looks. Okay. She was bright one. Say hello. Hello. She will say hello. And she will say it for 2 seconds. How about we change it 10 seconds? So she will say hello for 10 seconds. I count. Okay, let's try it together. Say 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 minutes, 10 seconds. You say hello, it's for forever, and she doesn't need, it's only for one time only. Think the same as hello. If thinking is like thinking like this, for 2 seconds, if think like this, it will then stop it and all they have. Show is. Then, sweet costume. We have see the costume. This costume one. How about we say, how about we change something? We'll choose a costume. We will pick fashion. And I will use dress B. Use this. Then you pick up like this. Hmm. Then clothing in it. Very small. The clothes are okay. This okay like that. Then we erase it. Go. Okay, let's view and then erase it. Then we'll see costume 2 and we can change it. Costume 1. Stop it. Next costume will be next. It's only following next. This means when you costume 1, so costume 2, costume 1, costume 2, costume 1, costume 2. That. Next is switch backdrop. We need to pick some backdrop first. I will choose this backdrop. Find it. Oh, here's a cat, so I think I need to put it in a castle best cat. So it means like using next backdrop like before like custom shield. Go to backdrop one, then to backdrop. Then we can just switch backdrop to we can say mask the costume. Backdrop one and the what is backdrop one and the castle is castle one. This is next backdrop. That. Okay. Then I will explain about tank size. I already explained you in part 1. This is the size. So the tank size by plus 10 plus. Okay, you can see this. It will be bigger when I click this, but when I click tank size by 10, tank it become plus and okay. Then you can change it to 100. 100. You should make it into 100 now. And you set the size until 10. Not like Chang will need to always be, but she will set size it. Change color effect. It will change color. Change color it should change by 20 change. She'll change the color effect by 25. For fish eye, the fish eye like a fish. See a fish. Like a fish eyes, but how to make it that before? But to make it minus it. Or we can click this go to before. And we can pick well, it means you will like turning. I stop it, you just click this. There's have a pixelate. It make a pixel. You may see what will happen to her. She sprite one had been like that. If we pixel it, she will have feet like a white square, and you just click again. Then you can pick mosaic. Get a mosaic. See, you try a mosaic. It's like a child. Let me go to before the tang the mosaic. Oh, a mosaic. See. Oh, thank you. Enter. See. Oh. Then we pick to 100. Enter. We then we will change it. The mosaic become brightness. The brightness stop. Then they will have brightness. Zuber change her brightness until she can color white because there is brightnesses. Okay? Then there is the last gust. It's made like she cannot be seen. Next, set color. You can set color, the actual becomes 0. Okay? I will erase it become after try 100. You have tens if the 100. Okay, the clear. She will clear the graphic. Like she will clear all the color and another. Next, like before, the show and height. Oh, this is as the coding. Yeah, show like this. And this height. Then we'll have go to front layer. Hey, where is she? Okay, I'm at 2. I need a ball or not a stick. I need a dress. Okay, like this. So it's go to front layers mean she'll go front to the dress If go to the back, so go to the back of the layer. Let it children. Pick a ballet. Let me see. Go forward to one layer. Wait. Go forward. Hold on. This. Go forward to one layer. It means you go to for one layer only like this, yes? This the rest is mean layer, okay? We will close up the wing like this, the wing. Make it like this, okay? Then if I one go to forward, it mean she will go forward only one thing. So you want to make it until 2 time, so make 2 time only. Next, costume of the number. The costume of the number of the sprite is the cat is mean like costume 1 and costume 2. I'll change it like the costume 2 is the what is the okay. I'll say all this indicators. What can I explain about it? It means costume number 1 and costume number 2. So check in the costume number the number of 2, but when is the spread contour 1 is graph contour 1. Next. Then like the backdrop number. I'll say the backdrop. They say the first backdrop is called backdrop 1 and the second backdrop called the castle called backdrop 2. Like the size. The sprite size is 10. It's following the size of the first. Huh? It's already about part 2 about costume. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye bye. And don't forget to click subscribe and the bell. Or if you want to ask something, just take a comment below. Just take the comment.